What's up, everybody? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and today, again, I'm cooking up really quick dishes that don't sacrifice on flavor, won't have you in the kitchen all day, and they're really good. They're so good, you can have them for weeknights or entertain with them. Either way, you're going to enjoy it. We're gonna start by making a fantastic Cajun salmon that we're going to do. So I'm gonna start by adding olive oil to some of the salmon, just a little drizzle. We're gonna add in some Cajun, and then with the Cajun, we're gonna add in a little bit of salt. And then we will rub both sides. I'm actually gonna put a little more Cajun on the top of that. How about that? We want all the flavor. Look at that. All right, cast iron skillet is here. Let's drop a little bit of oil in the bottom of the cast iron skillet. All right, and then we will add the fish. Oven is preheated to 375 degrees. This goes in to cook up. All right, meanwhile, let's start on the dirty rice. So we're gonna start by adding in some oil. And then I've got onions, bell pepper, and celery all mixed, so we'll add some of that. And then along with that, I'm gonna add in some leftover chicken sausage that I needed to go ahead and use up. And then we'll get in here and give this a good stir. So we've let the sausage and the peppers and the onions mix together. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning. I've got some black pepper, a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of dried fennel for the win. All right, we'll give this a good stir. Smells amazing in here. To complete the situation, I've got some stock. So we'll add beef, chicken, whatever you got. Add that right in there. This is where we add in, shh, this stays between you and me. If you tell everybody else, they're gonna be doing it. You and I, okay? Instant rice, right in here. You give it a stir, and in a few minutes, we're gonna have some amazing dirty rice. All right, so our dirty rice is dirty and done, ready to go. Fish is off in the oven, almost done. We're gonna make a little finishing sauce that's gonna go right on top, and it's gonna start with some butter. We're gonna add in garlic and scallion. We'll give that a stir. Oh yeah. We'll season it with a little pinch of salt and a little pinch of pepper, a little drizzle of some organic lemon juice. We're gonna add in some lump crab meat. Give it a little stir. We can kill the heat on this. Just give that a little toss, just like that. So our fish has been roasting and cooking up. Doesn't that look amazing? Let's put the whole thing together. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna take a little squeeze of lemon, because why not? I'm gonna go for the perfect bite. So I'm gonna grab some fish, some crab with some of the sauce on it, and the rice at one time. You gotta close your eyes and eat this one. The rice, so light, so well seasoned, and full of flavor. The crab is light with the lemon and the butter. Listen, all right, I gotta go. Two things I wanna tell you, as I always do. First of all, recipe, DariusCooks.tv. Food is my life, life is my food. I gotta go, okay? Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking, y'all. From my heart to yours. Bye.